Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a new website related to AI models which is offering free access to their APIs. So from this single website you will be able to call all the popular AI models, their APIs, and it gives you free access. So the address is YepAPI.com. I have given the link in the description of the video. So simply go to this website, and right here inside their homepage, as you see, it contains all the models right here. It has this API section, and 60 plus LLMs are there, and you can access it using one endpoint. So you will see the cheapest LLM API and API gateway for GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, Llama, Qwen. So it provides you one API key. It's compatible API endpoint. So almost 82 models, and no credit card is required. You actually get $5 credit whenever you sign up. So right here you click on this. So you have this option to sign up with your Google account or GitHub account. It is very easy to sign up. So simply sign up using your Google account. So whenever you complete the sign up process, you get $5 credit, and then you can use this API key inside your VS Code. So now you can see I've already signed up. So I will simply go to the dashboard section. So you automatically get $5 inside your account. You will see that free sign up bonus you get, and it expires in 45 days. So the process is very simple. You simply create the API key from here. You click the create key button, and once you click the create key button, you are redirected to this page right here. And from here you simply click new key and just give the name to the API key. And this website I recently found, it's a newly created website, so that's why. So now once you click the create button, it gives you your API key right here. So simply copy to clipboard. So now to actually use this, it's very simple. You simply go to VS Code, and you can actually use any kind of extension. The most popular extension you can use is Cline, Cline. So once you get the API key, it becomes easy for you. So simply install this extension. So it's an autonomous coding agent directly in VS Code. So I've already installed it. So once you install this, it will directly appear in the sidebar section. So you will see that. So just activate this, and you just need to configure this API key. So all the usage, as you do the API access, all the usage will come directly here. And inside the billing section, if you see, you get, if you want to add a payment method once the balance gets over, you can create another free account as well, another login with another Google account as well if you don't want to pay. But there is an option right here to add a payment method, to actually add funds as well. So you can add your credit card as well. So all these functionalities are there. It's a trusted website. I personally tried this, so that's why I'm telling you. So these are the settings, additional settings that you can do. And if you want to actually search the actual documentation which is required for this, you click on that API reference. So now all the documentation will be right here. So it will exactly tell you how to do the authentication. So these are some examples which are given right here. Quick start. These are different APIs. Apart from AI API, it also offers Amazon, Instagram, TikTok. So this is, you will see, chat completions. So unified endpoint for 70 plus LLM models. So you will see that this is actually the basic endpoint. You need to call this endpoint right here. Simply copy this endpoint. So you can see that. So you can call this endpoint here. Simply, or if you are confused, you can also use Chat GPT as well. I think I am confused in the documentation. So you can say what endpoint I need to use. It has given me API key. What endpoint I should use in Qwen extension to call this. It has given me $5 sign up bonus. So if you are confused about this, you can directly ask the API. So directly it will tell you the base URL that you need to paste is this one. So yes, this is the endpoint that you need to paste. So now directly open your Qwen. Simply go to the extensions tab, click on that, and from here API provider directly choose this OpenAI compatible. This option you need to set, and from here you paste your base API URL. I simply pasted this. You will see that, and then whatever API key that it has given you. So go to the API key section. So let me create a new API key simply. So simply you copy this API key, and then after that you can, for the model, you can set any model here. So let me use this OpenAI model. You paste this OpenAI GPT 5.3-chat. So after configuring all the options, you simply click the done button. That's all the configuration which is required. Now you simply ask any kind of question on this. So now inside this, the API will return the response to you. So, and right here, as soon as you do the usage, all the API calls will directly come right here. OpenAI 404 status code. I think the model name is not correct. Okay, I think the root cause is the base URL. So you just need to set this only this URL. The base URL is this one only. Simply copy this URL. Again go to settings and directly paste only this base URL. That's all. After that click on retry. I think after this we need to write this one, version 1 slash version 1 slash AI slash chat. This is the full URL that you need to do, and simply retry. I think this website is trusted. You just need to read their documentation. I think version 1 AI chat slash completions. I think this is the endpoint. Yeah, so you can see that. Uh, Let me just see here. So this is the endpoint you need to set, the base URL. You will see that. So set this base URL. Sometimes it is confusing in documentation. You set this, then the actual model name, which is Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.6. So you will see that. You set the model name. After that, click on done and just retry. OpenAI invalid API key, missing. Thing we API key already pasted it. Let me just delete this and create a new API key. Just copy to clipboard, paste it. I think the provider will be OpenAI compatible. I don't know why it is giving this error, but you can try this with any kind of tool. If you have Postman, you can try this using Postman, which is a API testing tool. So we have also all API testing tool, which is also there. So here you enter your base URL. Let me try this. It is so frustrating sometimes. I've tried this in the past, it worked, but right now it is not working. So that's why it is so. In the parameter, you this is the API key you will set. This is the post request. You set this API key, you are making a post request. So this is actually the API, guys. It's a trusted website. Definitely try and create a free API key. It will give you $5. I'm just not able to actually call this. It's really confusing at this moment of time. As you see, it has all the models right here: GPT, Claude, Gemini, everything for image generation, video generation, everything, coding generation as well. But definitely try this. It gives you $5 in the sign up bonus as well. So as you can see, I've tried this but not able to call this. But you can read more about inside the documentation. It actually, right here, it lists out all the models which are